Hi guys, welcome to our channel once again. It's our independence training and this is a design we'll be learning. So please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Okay, so we get straight to what we have for today. We have a turban cap already made. Okay, so you can decide to use any turban of your choice, but this is a V pleated turban, as you can see, very neatly made. We have our lining inside just to be able to achieve a very neat job. We have a 2-inch crinoline, and then we have our fabric here already cut out to make the ruffles by the side of the turban. Okay, so we get started. We have our measurement for this. The measurement for this is 11 inch by the width, and then we have 75 inch on the length. 75 inch the length, that's 75 inch long, and then we have 11 inch this way. Now the next thing we are going to do is to fold the fabric into two. If you have your tailor's chalk, you can notch the mid part of this, and then when you open up, you draw your chalk down. I forgot to do this, but let's do it that way so that we can be able to get an accurate measurement for this. So where you have the midpoint, you make a mark with your chalk down to the edge of the other side where you're going to place the 2-inch crinoline. So this is how we did, and then we have that design there. So you place your crinoline, take it to the sewing machine and sew it down to the other part of the fabric. So let's go over to the machine. Please, I'm taking my time to show us this so that we can be able to grab everything. So please, if you're a first timer, you're welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for always being here with us. So if you're a new subscriber, do well to click on the subscribe button so that you can be able to get notified whenever we drop a new video. All right, so we are done with our sewing. The crinoline is now sticked on the fabric. So the next thing we're going to do a proper arrangement, and then we take it down to our board where we have it iron. Yes, we have to iron this. We need a very smooth and clean design. And so we have to iron the crinoline first, and then we turn over to iron the fabric. You understand? So we have to make this to be able to get a very neat job. Some of our customers are very, very concerned with our finishing. They are very concerned with our finishing. So we must try as much as we can to make sure we get our finishing properly. So as you can see what I'm doing here, I'm trying to, so that we can be able to sew this other part. I'm trying to do it that way. So we get over to our sewing machine as we sew the other parts, that is the back side of the fabric, while we have the crinoline attached to it already. We have to sew this. Yes, like I said, if you are a new timer, kindly subscribe, hit the subscribe button so that you get notified. We are going to be dropping videos every week. We are dropping videos of millinery trainings every week. So for you to be notified, you have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel so that you get every details of our classes. As you can see, our classes are well detailed. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to turn over. Remember, we sewed the back side of the fabric, so I'm trying to turn over to the front side, the right side of the fabric. Yes, that's what I'm trying to do there. So this is what we have. I'm trying to turn over to the other side. So the crinoline is sticked right inside the fabric, you understand? So we have this done. So the next thing, we are going over to our board where we are going to form the ruffles. Now watch me closely to see what I'm doing here. I had to fold in this edge inside. Remember, I said we want a neat finishing. So I'm trying to fold that edge. If you don't fold it, you're going to be having this fabric shown when you place it on the your turban cap. So you need to fold that in to be able to get a very smooth edge. So watch me closely as I tack. Not too big, not too small. Not too big, not too small. So with your needle and thread, you start your tacking. This is the process of achieving our ruffles. You understand that? So ride with me. Okay, so we're still in the process of creating our ruffles, and as you can see, I'm taking my time to do this part to be able to get it properly. So just follow me along and do well to practice. It is not a matter of learning. We learn and then we also get the materials in our various places and then as well as practice. Now watch this closely. This is the end part of the fabric, and what I did at the first, I had to repeat it here. I had to fold in that rough edges inside and then I tack two. Okay, so we have our ruffles form. Now what I'm going to show us here is you can either use this round like this. You can decide to use this round like this. You can decide to make it a rose. You understand? Hold it, place it on your turban cap, and you're good to go. It's a very good design to do that way. But that's not what we have for today. What we have is the side ruffle. For today, we have the side ruffle. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so a ruffles is made. A turban cap, we've gotten it already. You want to learn how to make this turban cap. So if you would love to learn how to make this turban cap, drop it in the comment section. I would love to learn, and then I'm going to make a video and then post it on how I achieve this turban cap. Please remember to subscribe so that you will be able to get the notification of this turban when it drops on this channel. All right, so we are trying to attach the ruffles to the turban cap. Now you can decide to do to twist your ruffles anyhow you want it, and then it will give you something nice, something good. So far you got the process of creating this properly. So watch me closely and see what I am trying to do here. Very closely, you're going to get every details of what I'm trying to do here. So follow me, watch closely. Thank you. Okay, so we have this on our dummy. I'm trying to see how it's going to be fit on the dummy so that I can be able to get something very proper. Yes, I'm trying to arrange it properly so that I can continue and then get it fixed this way. Hey, yeah, this is beautiful. This is so lovely. So try to make yours this way, okay? I'm back again to the board where I'm trying to get this fix the way I got it on the dummy. So we're going to be working with the dummy so that from time to time you're going to wear it on the dummy, see the placement so that you can be able to get it, not when you're finished and then you're finding out that you have not gotten it fixed properly. You understand? So you do it that way and it will help you to guide you to achieve it properly. So this is me still trying to tack this properly on a turban cap. Then finally we have this is a very beautiful one. So try yours. Thank you.